Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So let's talk about how to use influencer marketing correctly, okay? I will tell you, we have tried to do this in the past where we created done-for-you programs where we would use influencers' accounts and do it for them and do all this stuff, right? So here was my important takeaway from influencer marketing. It can't just be any influencer, right? And you'd think, duh, well, that's duh, you should know that, right? But I'm just sharing the experience we had, and you have to pick and choose the influencers that make the most sense for your product, right? And because a market isn't just a market that just isn't market. And maybe this is common sense and I'm the dumbass on this side of the video today. But we just went out broad to all of the influencers that we could. And literally, I can tell you right now, it created a big goose egg. Nothing. And so what we learned from that is to cave that down to, we have 3 or 4 major influencers now, and they seem to do really well because they're in like spaces to ours. So I would just say make sure that you do your due diligence on who you use for an influencer, because just like influencers help, they can also hurt. So do this wisely. All right, we'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.